Today,
What are you doing?
we are playing
Frick
the
you.
Lethal Company.
Are you like,
Frick
no,
you.
you're like.
Let's get into
pointing.
it.
Oh, wait.
Frick you.
I don't.
Press
Why are you
2.
pointing?
Press
Oh.
2. Oh,
No, you're
on my screen
pointing.
it looks like a middle finger kinda.
Oh, I can like punch. Oh,
Whoa.
that's not punching. Am I dancing?
You're deep. Oh yeah, what the heck? How do you do that?
Press 1. Oh, dude.
Oh yeah.
That's sick. What's this one? Okay, there's no other one.
Like an Among Us guy.
Oh, yeah.
E to clock.
Whoa. Hello? Is that a mine? Andrew, go step on it. What are you carrying? Are you carrying a whole ass engine?
Yeah, I found it.
Oh, back away. I feel like that's a mine. Hold on, let me go.
Oh yeah, it's a mine. Another day, another dollar. Not that hard. Pretty bright. Oh, now it's.
Oh, I'm not going in there, Andrew. You can do that. I don't want to go in any of these places. Oh, what's this?
Yes.
Okay, let's go find a flashlight.
There's eyes in there.
Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look
Did
at
you see
it.
the eyes in there?
Yeah, I see it. I see it. Oh, it's making noises.
Real dark now.
Oh, lights.
Oh,
Lights.
Run to the light, run to the light. I dropped my engine, by the way.
Yeah, I heard it fall. A bottle.
Oh, look. A wheel.
I can see him. Oh, wait.
Wait, no,
Look, you can see him. He's moving, Andrew.
Get in the light, get in the light. Oh my god, we're gonna die.
Need to go investigate. We gotta wait until we can hear it at the bottom. I don't think there's a bottom, Andrew. What the heck is that thing? I think
Look at
we
his
have to make
ugly
a
ass.
break for it.
Don't do that, man. Don't do that.
I think we just have to run for it.
Okay, okay, let's go.
You bastard. We have to go where it came from.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
It's in there.
Oh! You can open the door! You can open the door! Oh. Andrew! No! This is your fault, dude. Oh. Andrew, why would you do that? I'm scared. This is what you get, Andrew. This is what. Oh! He's running! He's coming for me! Oh, what the hell? Ah, where? Oh! Yeah, back away, back away, back away, back away. Get the hell away from me, boy. Oh, an exit. Get your clunky ass off these stairs.
Oh, it's real dark.
I don't see anything, Andrew. Come on. There's a bug. I don't think there's anything over there. Let's go find out.
Go, 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 go! Ah! Ah! It was there. It was there. I'm running back. Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit.
Where's the jump? We need flat. Oh,
Right
okay. Okay, let's go.
There's nothing in here. Logan? Make it out while I still can. Make it out while I still can. Oh, I was struck by lightning.
That's gonna get annoying real fast.
Oh, that hurt.
One.
Yo, we came from here. That's
Whoa! Oh! What the hell? What the hell was that? I'm locking us in here.
Get back! Get back!
Get back, what? Oh! Oh! Let me out of here. Bro, I thought he was like moving away, and then he like snapped your neck. I
He
threw
ran
you.
towards me.
As you have not met the profit quota, your performance has been deemed below standard. Welcome to our disciplinary process.
We're getting disciplined, Andrew.
It blinked red for half a second.
That sounds like a mine.
Oh yeah, I didn't mind. I could see it. I'm looking
Well,
at it.
it's at the door, so you think I could just... Hold on. Back up, Andrew.
Okay, here we go. Where's the platform? What if I look up? And there's no what that word.
I'm scared.
Run! Did you see him?
It's like a big worm thing. And there's like a little worm buddy, I guess. Oh, a large axle. Oh! Andrew, run. Andrew, run. I'm chasing it. I'm chasing it. I'm chasing it. Oh! It like farts. Oh, it's on my head. Andrew, help. Andrew, help. I can't see. I can't see.
I killed it. Oh my god, it jumped on you. Oh my god, Logan. Logan, we're gonna die. We're gonna die, Logan.
Okay, I'll go in the corner. I think we have to like outsmart it. Okay, Andrew, go. Andrew, go. Andrew, go. Andrew, it's chasing. It's coming. I'ma go across. Back up, boy.
Yeah, that. You're such a dumbass. You're so stupid. Oh my god, you're retarded. We lost. You know what? Power through. Just run through. Just run past him. Oh, we're dead.
Oh, it ate me.
Give me that. Fuck you, bitch. I ain't scared of your bitch ass. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you, bitch.
Where are you going, Andrew? It's the wrong way.
Shit.
Good one, Andrew. Good one.
I could see.
You went the wrong way.
Oh no.
Oh no, not bees. Not the bees.
Oh, I'm dead.
And I made it back, and I did not die. But this guy, he did die. Now I gotta launch the ship into the sky.
Don't mess up the jump.
I don't know if I can do it. Okay, I can do it.
That son of a bitch. Where I'm not. I don't like this anymore. I don't like this anymore.
Why?
It's not a worm this time.
There's a spider, Andrew.
You're running.
Fuck you!
Andrew's not doing anything. Andrew's chasing me. Oh, it can't get across. You can't get across.
Dumb bitch! Dumb bitch!
Andrew, close the door.
Dumb bitch!
Andrew, close the door. Oh wait. Okay, I got an idea. Okay. Zap it.
Okay, wait.
Oh, I see. Look.
Ooh! Oh!
It can get through. It can get through.
I think there's someone hanging right there.
Get away from me.